Okie dokie. So outside, how cool is this? You have an outdoor TV and soundbar. The remote controls for this are in the passenger side. Right in front of the dash, there's a desk. You open the desk and the remote controls to this TV and all the TVs are located there for you. Now, quick tip on the TVs. It can get channels via cable, or if you have a Roku device or a Fire Stick, you can bring one of those with you, plug it into the back, use your hotspot on your phone, and you'll be able to stream TV shows. Or we have a hotspot available on one of our add-ons where that will give you enough signal to stream TV shows if you bring your own Fire Stick or Netflix. Or ask us, maybe we have a spare. So I just want to tell you a little bit about that. It does not have, the TVs do not have satellite. So if you want to watch a TV, those are your options.